Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can integrate contact form in our WordPress website. So first of all, open your WordPress website and go to the dashboard. And I'm going to use here the Everest Form plugin. So in the left side, you will see the plugin option. Click on add new plugin and just search here Everest Form. And as you can see here, this is the first plugin. This plugin have 100K plus installation with 5-star rating. So let's click on the install now and now click on the activate button. Now in the left side, you will see the Everest Form. Click on it and you will see here the all forms. Just click on it. Now you can see you have the one predefined form. I'm going to create one new form here. So click on the add new. And now here you will find the options like predefined templates to create your contact form, or you can create contact form from scratch. So I'm going to click on the start from scratch and click on get started. Now I need to give it a name. So I'm going to just say here contact form new and click on continue. Now, as you can see, this is the contact form. And now you can see this is the row and divided in 2 columns. So I need a first name and last name. So I'm going to make it as it is. On the left side, you will see here the first name. Just drag and drop it. And it's too easy. And just drag and drop last name like this. Simply. Now I'm going to add one more row. So click on add row like this. And I'm going to add here the email and the phone number. So for an email, I'm going to just add here this one. Just drag and drop it email like this. And for phone number, scroll down and you will see here the phone, this one, just drag and drop it like this. Then now I need here one single row to display the message. Okay. So click on the add row and you can see the added option. Click on it and make this setting to this one like single row. Now I need to add here the paragraph. So you will see here message. So paragraph text, you can see here, just drag and drop it like this. And now here you can change it. So I'm going to just click on that paragraph text and change the text here like message. That's it. Now I have the first name, last name, email, phone, and message. Now I'm going to just save this form. And now I'm going to do some settings. So click on the settings option here and click on the email. In the email setting, you will see here the 2 addresses. So you need to put the email address where you want to send all your contact form entry. So I'm going to put my email address here, thecodingbugs@gmail.com, like this. Form name is new website is fine. Scroll down and you can see the email subject is new form entry, contact form new. That is fine. Now let's click on the save. Now I need to integrate that form in my contact page. So you can see this is my website and this is my contact us page. This is blank. Now I'm going to click on the edit this page. Okay. And go to the dashboard of Everest Form and you will see the shortcut. Okay. Just copy this. You can copy that shortcode from here, or you can go again all forms, but you can copy that shortcode from here also like this. Now you can see this is our contact us page. You just need to paste shortcode here. Just Control V or Command V like this and just save it. And now we need to just go to our website, open our website and go to the contact us page. And you can see this is our contact us form. As you can see here, contact us title. Here you can see the first name, last name, email, phone, and message. So this is the easiest way to integrate contact forms in your WordPress website. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.